Who is it? Say, thank you for my new shoes, Gammy. Can you say thank you? You want a jelly bean? Can you say please? Okay. Where is it at? Oh my gosh. Jelly beans. Say happy Halloween. Can you say trick or treat? Can you say trick or treat? Are you going to share? Can Mommy have one? Please? Oh, you gave it a kiss? Oh, kiss the cat. I'm trying to put him back. Ooh. Let me see your pretty shoes. And what are you sitting on? Is that bubble wrap? Ooh, I like them. They're so sparkly. And what's behind you? Is that a witch? What's the cat say? Meow. You looking for more jelly beans? Say meow.
Hello? Who is it? Hello? Say thank you. Hello? Hello? Oh, yeah?
Say I love you. No. Here, give a kiss. Say bye-bye. Give a kiss.